In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to the Microsoft Excel app on your mobile phone. Signing in lets you access your files, sync your documents, and use cloud storage across your devices. First, open the Microsoft Excel app on your phone. If this is your first time using the app, you'll see the signing option on the welcome screen. If you're already in the app, tap your profile icon in the top corner and select Sign in or Add account. Next, enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account and tap Next. After that, enter your password and tap Sign in. If your account has two-step verification enabled, complete the verification process using the code sent to your email, phone, or authentication app. Once you're signed in, your Excel file stored in OneDrive and other connected locations will automatically appear in the app. You can now create new spreadsheets, edit existing files, and save your work across all your devices. And that's it. That's how you can sign in to Microsoft Excel on your mobile phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.